Good morning.
What's up?
Happy Thursday.
Whatever.
And
we are in the beautiful
we're back in the Columbia River Gorge.
Columbia River Gorge.
I know we said we weren't coming back here for a while, but
on the other side of Hood River, about 10 miles east, and we are going to hike the Coyote Wall Trail today.
We're gonna go up there.
We're gonna go somewhere, but pretty
beautiful.
Cool. Yeah.
Chilly day.
It's gonna be awesome.
Sun's out.
Guns out. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Whoa.
We might have another muddy one. So beautiful out here.
One 1.2 miles in, and this is freaking beautiful.
What a view. Oh my gosh. When we were walking up the hill, it almost feels like if you drown out the background noise of all the traffic, like you're in another country. Like, yeah. We picture what, like Ireland, Scotland, England, like hiking
look at that.
And all the hillsides, and then just all the little brooks and the waterfalls, and
yep.
It's just beautiful.
It's awesome.
What a way to spend the day.
Yeah.
So, stay out till 1 o'clock in the morning. We went to Imagine Dragons last night, which was amazing, by the way.
So good.
And then we get up to do a huge hike today. Like, what do we think we are, 30? Jesus.
We got this.
We can do it.
We can do it. Ah.
going up.
We're going
We're gonna continue to go up.
We're at the top of the loop trail, and we're gonna go up.
Up there.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do this.
Wow, we're like right on the ledge. Whoa.
Update. Winter conditions.
Wind has picked up big time here. Woo! We're getting blown off the mountain.
Whoa, blustery.
We're at 1,100 feet, 3.1 miles, and yeah, we're going back down. Cold.
It got cold.
Yeah.
I had to break out the beanie even.
Pretty much at the top though. Ish.
We had like
Beautiful.
maybe another mile to go.
We're pretty much at the top. Let's just chalk it up to we did it.
Yay!
And we're gonna go that way. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god. What were you talking about?
Oh,
Trail.
so we started out going through a beautiful hillside in Ireland, I think we decided.
Sure.
Then we moved up the hill to up the mountain to the blustery gorge in the wind. And now we're in Utah. Moab, to be specific. Off-roading it.
Yeah.
You know,
Rock everywhere.
all in a day's work. Loop done.
Loop done, baby.
Woohoo!
Loop done.
Way to go.
And back down to the road. To the car. To the car. Whoop. The road.
All right.
That is it.
We did a good 5 miles today.
Yeah.
1,200 feet up.
Yeah.
Coyote Ridge.
Done.
Done.
Beautiful.
Another gorge hike in the books.
Yeah. Hope you
For
all enjoyed
Thursday,
it.
not that bad. I mean, there's quite a few people, but definitely not as many as our other gorge hikes.
Beautiful. All right, off to a brewery.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us today on our PNW Adventures. Till next time.
Bye.
Deuces. I don't know.
Which brewery should we go to in the gorge? Which one?
Thunder. Thunder.
We got Everybody's
Oh yeah, we haven't been there for like years.
in White Salmon, which is
We've
like
got
a couple miles away.
Hood River. We got Freem. Oh, Freem.
If we want to go back to Hood River. Or we got Backwoods.
Backwoods. Always busy. But it's a Thursday. Walking Man.
Walk in Stevenson. Huh. Decisions.
We have 5440.
Many decisions to be had in the coming futures. Stay tuned. I'm good.
When you find a lost soul on the trail, pick it up and then bring it back.
Rescue it.
Rescue it.
Rescue the soul.
Rescue and throw it in the garbage. Hey. Hello.